In a lush, green forest, there lived a small bird named Vireo. Known for his beautiful, melodious song, Vireo was admired by all the creatures in the forest. One day, as Vireo started his morning tune, he noticed a hush had fallen over the forest. The animals gathered around, listening intently. Vireo's song was usually their delight, but today it was different. A wise old owl named Orion spoke up, "Vireo, your song has always brought joy to our forest, but today it seems to carry a deeper meaning. What is troubling your heart?" Vireo sighed, "I fear, Orion, that my song is losing its magic. I used to fill the forest with joy, but now, it seems to bring no happiness." Orion thought for a moment, then spoke, "Vireo, your song is a gift, but it is the intention behind it that makes it magical. If you sing with joy in your heart, your song will bring joy to others." Vireo pondered Orion's words. He returned to his nest, reflecting on his life. He remembered the days when he sang purely for the love of music, not for the applause or admiration of others. The next morning, Vireo awakened with a newfound sense of purpose. He climbed onto his favorite branch and began to sing. His song was pure, filled with love and joy. The forest echoed with the beautiful music, and the animals danced and played as they had never done before. From that day forward, Vireo learned the true power of his song. He sang not for applause, but for the joy it brought to others. And the forest, once again, was filled with happiness and harmony. Vireo's story serves as a reminder to us all. It is not just our actions, but also our intentions, that define our impact on the world. So, let us always strive to act with love and compassion, for our actions, when filled with pure intention, have the power to create a beautiful symphony of harmony and joy.